millions of years ago, long before the rise of modern humans, our planet was wild, untamed, and ruled by giants. In the dense prehistoric jungles, a predator beyond imagination lurked beneath the surface. A serpent so massive, so powerful, that few creatures dared to cross its path. This was the prehistoric python, a living nightmare that could swallow its prey whole. But in this harsh world, something new was stirring, fragile yet intelligent. The first humans learning to survive among monsters. The prehistoric python, an ancestor to modern anacondas and pythons, could stretch over 30 feet long and weigh more than a small car. It ruled the ancient wetlands, waiting patiently in ambush. One strike, and its victim would be trapped in a crushing embrace, bones snapping under sheer pressure. Fossil evidence from South America and Africa suggests that these snakes thrived in warm, humid climates, perfect for growing to monster sizes. For millions of years, they had no equal, until a new kind of predator appeared, one that hunted not with strength, but with intelligence. Around 2.5 million years ago, a new chapter began with Homo habilis, the handyman. They were small, curious, and inventive. Using simple stone tools, they cut meat, cracked bones, and built the first forms of cooperation. Life was perilous. Saber-toothed cats, giant hyenas, and yes, massive snakes. But for the first time, survival didn't depend on speed or size, it depended on brains. These early humans learned to work together, to share food, and to watch the shadows where predators waited. By the age of Homo erectus, humankind had mastered fire, a tool that changed everything. Fire brought warmth, safety, and cooked food, a key to stronger bodies and sharper minds. The first cave paintings appeared, memories of their lives, hunts, and dreams etched in stone. They hunted in groups, communicating through gestures and early language. Together they faced the giants of their world, but even around the campfire, danger was never far. A massive python could still strike from the shadows, a reminder that nature remains supreme. For early humans, every day was a fight for survival. They learned to track herds, craft weapons, and follow the seasons.
In this unforgiving landscape, the struggle for survival is absolute. They must find...
Nights were filled with firelight and stories, tales of gods, beasts, and serpents that devoured men whole.
The spirits guide the spear. We must eat, or the cold takes us.
Could these legends have been inspired by real encounters? Fossils and myths suggest that they might. As humans spread across continents, they adapted to every challenge, mastering the environment that once dominated them. Intelligence became their greatest weapon. Today, only traces remain of that wild world. Fossilized bones, scattered tools, ancient cave art. The prehistoric python is gone. But its legacy reminds us of a time when humans were not the hunters, but the hunted. And yet, it was in those dangerous, beautiful days that our ancestors learned what it truly meant to survive. From the shadows of monsters, humanity was born.